and welcome to my channel, the Swati's Odyssey. So guys, I'm very excited because अभी एक वीक में हम लोगों का ट्रिप्स शुरू होने वाला है विथ माई फ्रेंड्स. इसके बाद एक्चुअली मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्तों का शादी होने वाला है, 2 दोस्तों का. सो आई एम गोइंग टू अटेंड दोज इवेंट्स ऑल्सो. So I thought I need to prep myself for the same. And guys, आज मैं जा रही हूँ एक salon where I am going to do some treatment with my hair. As you can see, the hair is already very dried. I haven't done anything to my hair since 1 year now. Thinking of doing a protein treatment, that is a keratin treatment, and with that, for the first time, I might as well color my hair. So I'm very excited for that. I'm also going to show you guys the basic makeup tutorial. Without further ado, this is my before look and let's see my after look. Let's get started. Guys out there, so now I'm back with the tutorial that I was talking about. So I will be showing you the basic makeup tutorial. I will be just showing you the day look and the night look and this transformation that you can do from your day makeup to your night makeup. And with that, I will also be showing you some of the travel friendly makeup and skincare that you can carry with yourself whenever you're traveling for any function or trip or party. And without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as you can see, there is no makeup on my face. There is nothing. I just washed my face. And before we start the makeup, I will be showing you how you can prep your skin so that the makeup sits very well on your skin. So to start with, we will be using a rose water first. So because I will be showing you all the travel friendly products today, I will be using the small rose water rather than the big one. So whenever you're traveling, you can always carry the smaller versions of everything. So I will be just spraying it all over my face. This is my favorite part because this rose water just refreshes your face. Okay, the next thing I will be using after the rose water is a moisturizer. So now the moisturizer I am using today is from Clinique, and this is a very travel friendly pack that you can carry. So this is a small bottle and I love this moisturizer. I actually have a oily skin, so I don't prefer this moisturizer like on a daily basis, but I think it is a very nice moisturizer before you are doing your makeup. Always. Now the third thing we will be applying here is a primer. Now for the travel friendly primer, I will be using the Smashbox primer, which is a smaller version. It is only, I think, 8 ml pack. So this is this small, so you can use this one. And guys, if you are going for a day look, you need to also use a sunscreen. So I would advise that you can use a sunscreen first and then a primer. Okay.
So after the moisturizer, I'm just using a sunscreen.
Okay, so yeah, so we are done with the sunscreen. Now we will be applying the primer which I showed you. So I will just take this small amount of it, just this much. Okay. We are done with the primer, and then we will be using our foundation. Now again I have a very cute bottle from Estee Lauder. So recently I have been loving these foundations, and yeah, this is their smallest packaging, and this is again like 50 ml pack. So today for this makeup I am going to use this. So as of now we are going for a day look. So if you in the night look, I will just show a small transformation from here to there, but if you're going for a night look, don't use a sunscreen, of course. So I'm just taking small amount of it. I will just dab it on my face, and then I will be using a beauty blender. Always use a blender which is damped. I always prefer doing my face contouring and then go for my eye. So yeah, I'm using this is from K Beauty, and this is from the shade, I think, caramel. This I'm using to just contour the face. So starting with the nose.
Now this contour, I just love its consistency. It's very flowy. It does not sit on your face. So yeah, I have been loving this recently. Okay, and
For eyes, I will be using, this is the peach shade that they have. Again, this is for color correcting. So yeah, I will be using this under my eyes.
little on the top.
Right now I'm looking like a ghost, right? I also like to contour my chin area a bit, so it just highlights it. And then I will be using the same beauty blender.
So nicely and evenly. You can also use a little bit contour
In your T-zone, I will not be using this contour, LA Girl Pro concealer there. So this I will be using little bit on my T-zone just to give the extra highlights, little bit on the corners. Okay, so yeah, so the face is pretty well contoured. It is not looking too much of contouring. I don't like too much of anything. For the eyes, I am taking the Makeup Revolution palette. Now, because this is a travel friendly makeup tutorial, so I'm using a small palette. You will get more smaller package than this, but trust me guys, because I'm going for a trip and then two friends wedding, so I cannot carry a smaller one. So I had a bigger palette than this, much bigger, but I thought I will buy the small one and I will carry this. I think I will be using two brushes, which is like this. Yeah, so this I will be using for my eyeshadow, and this I will be using just the bottom lining of the eyes. But the first thing I will be doing is take my finger and make the base of the eyeshadow. So I will be going for a very soothing color because we are doing a day look. So I will be taking this color here. Okay, so
eyes. Very fresh because it's a very light color that we are going for. Nothing very fancy.
this glittery shade of this pink itself, so it will just give you that minimum glowy effect. So I could have done this from the brush, but I did not. I don't know why. Leave it. Okay, and then you can just go with this golden, a very little bit of golden, and just on the lids, just to give a little highlight. Okay, so this is the complete eye. I'm not going to do anything else with it. If you want in the deep inner corners, you can just go with a little darker shade, like from here you can go to this shade, but I want to keep it very simple as of now, so that's all I will be doing. But I will just take this brush and I will just try to even out this up. Okay, and I will take this small brush, which is this thin brush. Okay, and in this brush I will be just using a darker color, and I will just go down my eyes.
Now, this you can do if you
I do this because I don't like using kajals on my face. Now if you're using a kajal in daytime, that is enough. You don't have to do all of these. What else you can do is, I always like using my small eyebrow pencil, which is kind of this. Okay, and rather than going for that, I will just go with this. Okay, and then I will just extend it a little bit here and just run it through. Yeah, I will be using, this is from Vega itself, very basic eyelash curler. Okay, so I will just curl my,
instantly lifts up your eyes, sorry, your eyelashes.
okay, and then this Maybelline Colossal. I will be using this Maybelline mascara. Guys, I forgot something. I will be doing that. So before actually starting your makeup, when you're prepping your face, you should also prep your lips. So you can use any lip balm. I'm using this lip balm. I have been talking about this lip balm in 3 of my videos. It is from Lange. Okay, so yeah, let me apply my mascara. Okay, done. So this is enough for the day. I'm not going to do anything else on the face apart from the lipstick, of course. Okay guys, so before we start applying a lipstick, you can just use a cotton and remove your lip balm. I just applied it now, and again I'm removing. So guys, if you're going out and if you want your lipstick to stay long, and but you do not want your lipstick to be very heavy on your lips, but nowadays we are loving the matte lips, but we don't love the consistency, because again it makes your lips very dry. So even if you have prepped your lips, so see, I will be using these two neutral shades today. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade E925B. Okay, and this is from Matte Me. Again, this is a neutral shade, which is 427 in color cosmetics, from In Color Cosmetics. And yeah, I will be mixing these two shades. These are two neutral shades, and with that I will be applying a lipstick which is not a matte lipstick. Okay, so this is going to glide on my lips first, and it is going to give me that smooth lips first, and then when I apply matte lips, it is not going to be very drying on my lips, and it will stay long. So let us do that. So this is again from Nykaa, and this is in the shade 47M. Okay, and yeah, this is the lipstick.
Okay, this lipstick also looks very nice.
But if you don't like this glossy lipstick, or this kind of glide on lipsticks, you can, like me, then you can apply the second coat with a liquid lipstick. We're applying this.
Okay.
And what I always like to do is on the inner corners of the lips, I always apply the lighter shade, okay? Just little bit lighter shade. And I will not forget is the eyebrow pencil. So we will be filling up the eyebrows fast. So yeah, let us do our eyebrows, which is again very important. So can you see the difference, guys, when you do your eyebrows and when you don't do your eyebrows? Yeah. And I just love how this opens up, like how the lid is. So it is a little bit thinner on the corner and then it is thicker on the edges. Can you see? Yeah, so this makes the application very easy. It's not like the other round kind of eyebrows, you know. So yeah, even with eyebrows I always like to remain very light. So yeah, so I'm done and I love using this after I'm done with my eyebrows. Okay, done. And to make all the makeup sit in one place, we have to use a compact. So the compact I am using and I have been loving it. It has been my absolute favorite. So I always run my compact like this over my face. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with the compact. The compact I love is from L'Oreal Matte Magic, and this is like my 6th or 7th compact bottle from this shade. And yeah, so now we will be using the blush, and the blush is Wet n Wild, and this I said is from Pearlescent Pink. So yeah, this is a very subtle color, very nice color. We'll just run our brush. Don't take too much of it, but always dust the excess. So I don't know camera is capturing or not, but this blush has given a very nice peachy finish to my face. So this is the very subtle look that you can have in your daytime. This is the day look.